Hi explorers, welcome back to another video and also welcome back to our channel. I'd really appreciate if you like, comment, share and hit the subscribe button. Hi explorers, today I'm going to show you how you can make a pair of exquisite looking wall shelves using these. These are very affordable, easy to make, and will uplift any space that you put them into. I am going to transform these and make them look exquisite, so stay tuned to the end of the video so you can see what that looks like. So I bought this in the Dollar Tree. It comes with 2 pieces of board, it comes with 2 pieces of string, and also 2 rings that you can put the strings on. I'm gonna start by painting these pieces of board in a reddish brown color. I'm going to be putting these shelves in my bathroom, and it will go nicely with the color scheme that I already have in there. One of the advantages of DIYs is that you can always choose colors that would match the color scheme that you have already going in your home. The paint that I'm using is acrylic paint. I got a set of 30 off Amazon. It comes with these 2-ounce bottles of assorted paint. I have these remaining skewer sticks from a previous project. I'm going to be cutting them and gluing them onto the edges of the board. Please note that you're gonna need a very sharp knife, or if you have a tool that you can use to cut these, even better. To cut the stick, I'm going to press firmly onto the stick with the knife. You can turn the stick as you go to make that indentation all around, and then just go ahead and snap it. Now I must say, please be careful while you cut these sticks, not to cut yourself. Now for this design, I'm going to be leaving some of the sticks with the pointy ends, while I'm gonna have some without pointy ends. So now I'm going to apply some hot glue to the edge of the board, and I'm going to press the skewer sticks against it for about 20 seconds just to make sure that they stick properly. I am adding some glue over the sticks to make sure that they are glued together properly and that they don't fall off. Just to note, I did not start gluing the sticks exactly at the end. I left about 1/2 inch hanging over the board. This is the design that I had in my head. Now I'm going to paint the sticks and add a few more details. This is the same color paint that I used to paint the board. Remember that you can also use spray paint, which would be a little bit faster. Okay guys, so now we're at the strings. Now for some reason I did not think the white string would go well with the color that I have on the board, and so I decided that I'm going to add some paint to the strings also. In order for the string to absorb the paint, I did dip the string in water, and so I'm just dabbing paint all over the string, and I'm gonna put it to dry and see what it looks like. This is what the shelves look like after putting them to dry. I'm now going to be using these vase fillers as decorations on the shelves. So I'm putting these vase fillers right at the spot where the glue is to sort of cover it up, and I'm going to be doing that all around on the shelf. This is what it looks like so far. I am liking it. The vase fillers really is uplifting these shelves, giving it a nice glam bling look, and I'm liking it already. Let me know what you think in the comment section. So now for the final detail, I'm going to be adding sequins. I got these sequins in the Dollar Tree along with the vase fillers and the set of wall shelves. So for the skewer sticks, I got those at Walmart and they were not too expensive. I would say that this whole DIY project is probably less than $5. And look how exquisite these are gonna come out. For less than $5, it is more than worth it. To add to that, you're definitely gonna have supplies remaining from this project that you can use in another project. Now for the final touch, I'm just adding sequins all around on the edges of the board. Okay, so here is the final product. I think they look beautiful. Just look at how the vase fillers are sparkling. I think it looks great. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Now, I think these can be used for whatever you need it to be. You can add a vase to it, you can add flowers to it, whatever you need it to be. I think they look pretty exquisite and elegant and will uplift any space that you put them in. Now, once you're able to locate supplies, it doesn't necessarily have to be the same things that I used, but it is pretty easy to make. It doesn't take a long time, and I would say pretty affordable. Like everything here probably costs less than $5-6, and for this look, your house is gonna be looking pretty expensive. So I think it's definitely worth a try. So this is how it looks if you're just planning on using it as like a countertop accessory. It looks pretty nice just sitting there on the counter if you don't want to use it as a shelf. Okay guys, so this is what they look like when I hang these shelves. I didn't bother to use the metal rings, I just used command strips and hooks, and that works just fine. These hooks that I'm using can hold up to 3 pounds, and as you can see, it held up this candle jar that I have here. Okay guys, If you found some value in this video or know someone who would benefit from watching this video, please subscribe, like, comment, and most of all, share this video with someone that you know. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.